In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically copy a range of data in Excel. This is a simple and very useful technique when you want one area of your worksheet to mirror data from another area automatically. When it is set up correctly, any change you make in the original range will appear in the copied range right away. That makes it helpful for dashboards, reports, and cleaner worksheet layouts. To begin, go to the empty top left cell of the new area where you want the copied data to appear. This starting cell is important because Excel will use it as the anchor point for the full range you are about to bring over. Once that cell is selected, type an equal sign on your keyboard. This tells Excel that you are creating a linked reference instead of typing regular text or numbers directly into the cell. After that, click and drag your mouse across the entire original range of data that you want to copy. Make sure you select the full range carefully, including all of the rows and columns you want to appear in the new location. This step creates the connection between the original area and the new one. Now press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Excel should automatically populate the full range in the new location. You should see the same values appear instantly without needing to copy and paste anything manually. Take a moment to verify that the entire range has filled in correctly. Check that the size of the copied area matches the original and that the data appears where you expect it to. Next, click back into any cell within the original data range. This is where you can test that the link is working properly. Type a completely new value or word into that original cell, then press Enter. As soon as you confirm the change, look back at the automatically copied area. You should see that same update appear there right away. This confirms that the new range is dynamically linked to the original data and will continue updating as the source values change. A quick tip here is to make sure the destination area is empty before you start. If there is existing data in the spill range, Excel may not populate the copied results correctly. It also helps to double-check your selected range before pressing Enter so you do not leave out any cells. That covers everything you need to know.